Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you a genuine way to make money by doing nothing. Literally, once you set the things up and you are good to go. Watch this video till the end and I will show you how to make $20 within 2 months by doing nothing. All you need to do is download this application from the link given below and create your account. Now just share your internet connection, which is by the way an automatic process, and let the app run in the background. You can also collect daily credits to get extra points, and the simple logic behind this app is the more you become online, the more you make money. Once you reach $20, you can withdraw the money through PayPal. So if you are looking for side hustle platforms, then this is the app that you can try, and making money by doing nothing, which I think is not that bad. So give it a try, link will be in the description down below, and if you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and smash that red subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.